In this video, we're going to learn how Egyptians did multiplications. So their method is called multiplying by doubling. So let's look at this example, 19 times 71. So here we can think of 71 as our multiplicand. So we try to find out what 19 of 71 is. So it's difficult to figure out 19 of 71s, but we start with the simplest, 171s. 171 is just 71. And then we double 1 to get 2 71s. So we know when we do 2 71s, we pretty much do 71 plus another 71. So we get 142. And then we're going to double 142. So we get double 2, we get 4, and then we double 142. That gives us 284. So we do 142 plus 142. And then we keep doing this, so we can double 4 again to get 8. And since we doubled 4, we also need to double 284, so we get 568. And if we add these first column numbers, we get 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 8, that's 15, which is still not enough to get 19. So we're going to double 18 again to get 16. On the right side, we double 568. We get 1,136. And now if we add the first column numbers, we got 32, which is bigger than 19. So we should be able to use these to come up with 19 of 71s. So what we're going to do now is trying to figure out which rows we should pick. Since we're looking for 19 of 71s. So this first row is 171s, and the second, this has this number right here, 142 is equal to 2 71s, and 16, and this corresponding number 1136 is exactly 16 71s. So if we add all these three rows, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 16, we get 19. So that means 19 71s. Okay, so on the right side, we add these corresponding three numbers. So we get 1,349. So which is our final answer. Okay, so the reason is this one, that's exactly 171, and this one right here, that's 2 of 71s, and then this one right here is 16 71s. So if we add all of these together, of course, we got 19 71s. 19 of 71s, and that's exactly what we're looking for. So this number right here. Okay, so this is the Egyptian way of multiplying by doubling and summing. You may ask why we picked 71 instead of 19. Well, you can do that if you want. You can keep doubling 19 instead of 71, but it's easier to come up with the 19. So if you try to get 71 of 19s, and that's going to take a little while. So that's why we usually take the bigger one, make bigger number as our applicant, and try to come up with a 19.